Okay, quick walk around of the backhoe. The only thing with the front bucket is I got a crack here and a crack there. Otherwise the bucket's in decent shape. Works good, got a couple chain grabbers there. It's old and ugly, but it works good. Tires, the tread are in pretty decent shape. They have a little bit of dry rot on them, but they hold air. I haven't had to put air in any of them the whole time I've owned it. So there's the hoe. Right back here is the one pin. See, that's loose. The other one's pretty tight. But that's really the only pin that's really bad on it, and I've been using it as is. This is the cylinder that weeps a little bit. You can see a little wetness. Everything else works good. Here, we'll start it first and then I'll look underneath the hood. So in here is the cab. Glass, there is a crack in the windshield. Okay, we'll come in here. I told you it needed a cable. I threw just a cheap Edelbrock choke cable on it for the fuel cutoff. There's the gauges. So we'll fire her up. Starts and runs good. Sitting right at 500 RPM. 3,200 hours on it. And race it up a little bit. There's the reverser lever. Throttle, brakes work good. Bucket up. Put the outriggers down. Push me right out. Okay, I can pivot the seat around. Work on the back. It's going to be kind of hard to operate the camera and the controls at the same time here. I should race it up a little bit. Fuel cutoff, or actually I'll leave it running and go under the motor. New oil filter. We can pull the oil dipstick. Oil's really nice on it. The oil was almost totally clear when I bought it. He had just got done rebuilding it. New fuel filter. New primer pump. There's under the hood, 4-cylinder, Ford diesel. This is not the Perkins. That was junk. That Ford kind of gave Ford a bad name. Let's see, what else? New battery I put in it when I got it. That's the gas bill, or not gas, diesel. What else can I say about it? I guess that's just about it. I got the panels in the garage. It's got some, that's not rot or anything. Those are just the drain holes from the battery box, so I had the battery acid coming out of it, so it kind of got rusty. It's not rotted. This glass is good over here. I got the panels that go in there, in the back panel. Some of them have cracks in them. That has cracks in it. It's just easier to see without it, and it gets hot in there in the summertime. So, that's about it. Oh, I'll show you. Well, this is some of the work I did with it. Digging back here. Dug a big huge hole, and that's some of the fill left over. Cleared a ton of trees. And then this is the other little bucket, the narrow one, and that's the bushing right there that I was telling you about. That needs to be put in the other one, or just use it. I mean, I've just been using it, whatever. Okay.